Hello guys, welcome back to the part 4 of this tutorial. You know, SEO is not just an easy small thing, but if you can follow the procedure, you are going to have a result. And what matters most is the result. And I guess I need to just make this video short and go straight to the point, because it's not about how long the video is, but it's about the quality information you guys get from the video. So in this video tutorial now, I'm going to teach you how you can make use of AI, which is artificial intelligence, to write a blog post. I said if you want to rank on Google front page, you also need to have a blog, and you need to be able to have a content that people are searching for. And I've told you how you can get content that people are searching for. You can actually go to your Chrome. I've told you the plugin. If in case you didn't get, maybe you're just watching this video and you have not watched the previous video where I mentioned what you need to do in order to get the keyword to write on or to rank for, you can watch the part 3 of this video of SEO tutorial part 3. So before we move forward, if you are still watching my video and you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll be glad if you can do that now, because it's gonna help you to have access to most of my latest video that can actually add value to your life. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel, because it gives me more credibility also. Thank you. God bless you. Now let's move straight to the point. Now I'll be teaching you how you can write a blog without you wasting your time on writing anything. Don't need to worry yourself. Now we'll be using an artificial intelligence, and there's a particular website called AnyWord. This is the website. Just type AnyWord on Google. It's gonna show you this site. Just click on it. And sign up. Is free for 7 days. So if you are signing up, just sign up for free for just 7 days. Can you see? It's just free for 7 days. But if you know what you are doing within your 7 days, you can actually write at least like 10 blog, 15 blog, and you begin to post it. You will copy them and just paste it on one particular folder. So anytime you feel like maybe you will post it once in a week, and after that you open another Gmail again, you sign up again for 7 days. I guess that is the method of stealing, but don't follow that. So let's just move to this. So let me sign up with my Google. Network. Sorry. No, let me just sign up with this. Let me sign up with this. Now immediately I sign up, it's going to tell me, okay, you write blah blah blah. Just click on get started. Now it's going to ask what is your role. You can select multiple roles. Just write let me just pick online business owner. Let me just pick this and this, and if you feel like you can write anything. Copywriter, if you like, you can write, you can pick anything you want to pick, but I think it's okay like this. How many people? Just okay, let me just pick this. Just wait for it to load. And after that, how do you hear about us? Just click on Google, another station. Okay, let's just pick anyone. Let me just pick other social media platform and click on next. Create your first project, blah blah. Okay, just go for this. Create your first project. Now let's wait for it to load. Now it's going to take you to this page. Now after you get to this page, can you see it say describe the blog post you want to create. Now all you need to do, just tell them, okay, for example, I'm giving you an example that say a blog post on how to start an online store. It is about this, my own stuff, a blog post on the importance of web design for small businesses. I'll just copy it and come to this place and paste it. They say, okay, choose the industry that describe your product. I'll just type, let me just type small businesses, or let me just say web design. Should I put it or should I use let me use small business, small and medium business. Yeah, the keyword I want to rank for, web design for small businesses. Let me just copy it. This is the keyword I want to rank for. Or let me just copy the full. Let me copy from here. Keyword cannot be up to 4. Okay. I'll put this as 1. I will join this one together. Now we copy this. Okay. These are the 2 keywords I want to rank for. These are the 2 keywords: web design and small businesses. I can also add importance of web design, but let me just limit to that. Now, they will ask me, I'll click on next. But before I click on next, let me copy the top because I want this thing to be the heading. So I'll click on next. Oh, my network, what is happening? Sorry guys. Okay, fine. I'll click on next. Now it's gonna take me to this place. Generate the title or write your own. Now, because these things are things that already built up with artificial with SEO. So when you're getting a blog post from this page, it's going to help you a lot, as in a lot. Now, can you see now this one, a blog post on the importance of web design for small businesses is 81. Web design matters for small businesses. Why small business need a professional web design. Wow, I love this topic, but it's just ranking 79. I think I will go for this topic no matter the rank. Why small businesses need a professional web design. Wow, I love it. Let me just go for this. If I never plan for this, this is what I plan for. Let me go for this. So yeah, so I'll just click on, I will click on next. Select an option to continue. Okay, I'll click on next. Now in this place, now you wait for it to load. Now the section 1 is importance of looking professional, the importance of using web design element, the importance of SEO, the importance of content management system, the importance of tech survey website. Now these are all the section is going to write for me. Can you see? These are the 6 section is going to write for me now. The importance of mobile responsive website. Can you see? And initially, this is what I planned for. Let me show you what I planned for. Can you see? This is the topic I planned for, and this is the point I initially want to write. But I guess that topic, I never planned, and I'm going to change the topic. Now, what am I saying? Why am I showing you all these things? You don't need to stress yourself at all. See, online, making it or ranking it online, you don't need to stress yourself at all. In fact, if you are not a copywriter, you can even make use of this thing and start making money from it. This is what majority of copywriters do. They will just go on Fiverr, sign up an account with them, and before you know it, they are making money. If you know how much copywriters are collecting on Fiverr, you'll be surprised. And what they do is that when they collect the job, they come to this kind of site to help them to do it. They don't know. Majority of them doesn't know anything. They just go there, get a job, come to this place because of what? Because they have the information. So that is why what you are getting from this course is more than what you are paying for. Seriously, it's more than what you can even pay for. So just follow me step by step, and after you get all these things, maybe there's a particular place you don't like, you can actually delete it and say I don't like this. But I think all these points are very nice and good. I will click on next. Now it's going to write an intro for me. So let's just wait for it to load. Can you see the intro? Imagine, look at the intro. Now can you see how the score point look like? Look at the score point, because it will automatically do the score point for you so that you can see. Can you see? Predict engagement by age, gender. Now let me scroll down. Can you see the intro? Small businesses need to do a lot of things right to succeed. One area in which they often fall short, however, is web design. Can you see the intro? It makes sure that the paragraph, because if you look at our paragraph, because in SEO, your title, your keyword must show in what? In the first paragraph. Now look at it now. Web design and small business, this is our keyword. And look at this now. This is the small business, and this is the web design. Can you see in first paragraph? In fact, we can't even call this one paragraph. In just let me just say first. I've forgotten the English to use for this. So look at just the intro. Wow, I love this. There is a lot of intro. You can either pick this one or it will show you 3 intro to use. You can either pick any of it. This one will give you 73 points. This one gives 65. There are several things to consider when thinking about your company present online, but the most important things to remember is your small businesses. To remember, if you are a small businesses, is that your website spread represent. If that your website represents you. Wow, I love this. Wow, I love this. But I would rather go for this small but mighty. I will click on it. Just click on it and move to next paragraph. Now can you see your setup is complete? All you need to do now is to just click on continue to editor. Now can you see now? This is the topic, this is the heading, this is the introduction. Now this is the it gave us 6 points. Now these are each point. Now what you need to do now is that for you to generate a word, you come to this first point, you look at generate. Just click on this arrow. So once you click on it, generate with instruction. Okay, click on this place. Okay, now come to this place. The text length, if you want it to be short, if you want it to be medium, if you want it to be long, just click on medium and click on generate. Can you see? This is the first one now. Can you see instantly? Now the second one, you scroll again to the second one again. Now maybe you are not happy with this. A professional website is not just a nice thing to have, it is absolutely necessity. Maybe you are not happy with this, you can just come and click on regenerate, and it will regenerate another one for you instantly. So after you have done that, you come to this place again, you click on how do you want it? Do you want medium or long? Let me just pick long, and let me click generate and wait for it to load, to generate for me. Can you see now? Can you see now? Now I will just pause this video to generate the other part of it. Since you know how to generate it, now you can click on it for maybe this English, because I have a Microsoft editor, so it actually highlights any place. So I will just click on generate. So I will scroll down. Let me just pause the video to generate the other one. Now guys, I've actually finished everything, and now imagine, look at it now. All I need to do is just to do what? Copy this text, copy this blog post. That is all. I don't need to do any problem. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to worry myself. It will automatically do everything for me. So that is why, and that is why, see, there are some things that information is very, very powerful, which I've come to realize, because if you don't, majority of us who are watching this video now don't know about this, and you don't know that there's a simple thing that can actually help you to do what you are worried to do, what you are cracking your brain. And this is even artificial intelligence. To some extent, it even give you more professional one than the one you crack your brain. And the most honest, if you try to outsource this job to maybe to some copywriter to do it for you, the most honest thing is that they will still come to this site to come and do what? To come and make use of this site, and you'll be surprised. Wow, these people do a nice job. And imagine, this is just because you don't know what you need. You don't know what they are using rather. So guys, I've done everything and I've copied it. All I need to do is just to come to my my post and scroll up and click on add new. So let me wait for it to load. So let me just come to this place and go to Pixabay app. Pixabay, okay, let me just go to. So let's just wait for it to load. Now all I just need to do is just to paste, just Ctrl V or paste it. That is all. Do I need to worry myself? No. Now can you see now? This thing has automatically write it. All I just need to do is just, I can actually just, for you to make it more audible and more professional, I can just edit some things from it. And the first thing is, what do I need to edit? I will need to come to this place and I will click on, I will highlight this. And I will just, let me just click on I want to make it heading or sub heading. Yeah, let me just make it heading. Oh, what is it? Not heading. Ctrl Z. I don't want all this to be heading. I only want okay, I think I know what to do. Sorry, I think let me just leave it like this. Okay. Let me make this one the same thing. So this one the same thing also. I will pause this video now to just do everything. Yeah guys, I actually did something which I actually want you to see how I'm doing it. Now this, I have given an edit to it. So what I do is that I will come to this, in the middle of this place. Can you see when you see this green light? I will click on this plus icon. I will click on heading. I'll just paste Ctrl V, the importance of this one, and I'll type mobile friendly, mobile responsive website. So I will just come here and clean all this away from it. I will remove this from, I will remove it from this. I will just put it to paragraph. So can you see like this? So this is how I actually did for all of this. Come on, let me just change this. Web design elements. Let me change this. Let me just change it to H2. Now after I finish all these things, yeah, I'll just scroll down. I will first copy this because I will need to copy this. I will need to copy just this, Ctrl C. Now you will scroll down. This is where I want to use the Seo plugin now, which is the Seo. Now it's going to ask for my key phrase. The major thing, the number one thing you need to have is your key phrase. So don't forget our key phrase from here is web design and web design and business, small business. So I will just come to this place and type web design and small business. These are the small focus key phrase we want to use. Web design and small. In fact, you can even put space here. Now after you did this, just scroll down. It will ask you for your meta description. This is how it will look like. You know, when you're searching something on Google, let me just show you. Let's say the best. Okay, web design. Let me just show you this. Now can you see? You're seeing the best web design company in Ibadan, the leading web. Can you see this thing? This is what we call meta description. Can you see? Meta description. So I will just come back. I will come back to my stuff here. And this is the meta description I need to put. So I will just scroll down. Now this is where you put your meta description, but this is what we call Seo title. In this Seo title, can you see the title? Now this is title: why small business need a professional web designer. Page is going to show the blog page. Separator, this is a separator. This thing is what we call separator. And site title, the best. This is my site title, which is the best. If you want to remove it, you can actually remove it and say no, I don't want this. Can you see? And you can even remove it and say I don't want separator. Can you see? Now it will just look like this. Why small business need a professional web designer. That is all. And after you finish this, you scroll down again to put your slug and your meta description. But this is what we need to do. First post, let me post the thing I copied. I'll post it here. This will be my my web meta description. So and then small business need to do a lot of blah blah. One area which of the functions. I can actually delete this because it's too long. I can delete this. Can you see now? It's showing green. So hope you're getting it. This is how to make use of this Yoast plugin. You know, this Yoast is an SEO analysis stuff. So once you go, you come to your slug. What is your slug? Your slug, you can just put small business and web design. You can put small business. I can also put web design, but I think small business is okay like that, so we don't need to put more and more and more on this. So I hope you are getting how I'm doing it. I'm actually doing this so that if your post is ranking as #1 or as the best, there's no how your website will not rank the best. Now when people search for why small business need a professional web design, they should be able to at least you should be able to at least rank in Google front page when people search for related content like this. Hope you are getting me. So you scroll down again. Now another thing I need to give to you, another trick I need to do, let me just show you, is you click on this stuff, just click on it. Now this is where you see your point, though in most cases this doesn't count. I must be fair to you, I've done a lot of things whereby I didn't have much thing like this, seriously. So in most cases it doesn't count, but let me just show you how you can walk through this. Now the first thing is outbound link. No outbound link appear in this page, which means this in all this post it does not link to any outbound. Okay, it does not link to any other website. What I will just need to do is I will just need to come here. Let me just come here, and I just said I can just come to this place, importance of designing. I can just link this. I will just link it. Where should I link it to? Which site do I want to link it to? Let me link it to this my site at the training, just because of training testing. So there is one of site I just designed for testing sake, so I can link the stuff to it. So when I link this to this place now, it look, this is the site. You know, I was just designing a site and this is the site. If you actually want to learn how to design a website, you can also reach out to me. I can teach you how to design a nice looking website like this. But don't let me waste much of our time. Just let me copy this link, copy, and I will come to this place and I will paste the link here and I will press enter. So if you scroll down, you will see that, can you see that one has disappeared. Another one is that no internal link. I will still solve the issue of this image, but let me solve the issue of this internal link first. No internal link appear in this page. Make sure you add some. So I will scroll up again. The importance of web design, the importance of SEO. Can just say and just feature. I just say to learn how to design. Click here to learn how to design a professional website. Okay, let me just say click here to learn how to design a professional website. And I will go to my website here. the leading. I'll just go to shop and okay, let me go to training. Should I go to training or let me just come to here? I have a professional website, how to design. I'll just click on this. This is one of my course, and I will copy the link, Ctrl C, and I will come back to this place and I will link it up. I will link it and I will paste the link here and I'll press enter. So when people click on this place, it should take them to that my course. So if you go straight to that again, can you see the stuff is no longer here again? What's the next thing? No image. Okay, now the image, let me just scroll up, let me just download one image here. So this is Pixabay. You can download a lot of image for free of charge. So let me just get let me download this image. Sorry, just give me some few minutes. Let me download them. Free download. Let me just download in my smallest size. Download. I'm not a robot. So I'm actually walking through this step so that you guys can have the full understanding about it. Download. So immediately I download the picture, I will come straight to this place. So the picture I've downloaded, I'll just come straight. I can actually put it here. Let me look for. Let me just create an image and put an image box. Upload. What is the image I just downloaded? This is the image. Open. It's looking like this. In case I was even thinking maybe I can put it by side. Maybe I can put it to this. But no problem, I think it's okay like this. So then let me waste much of time again. So I will just scroll down again. If you scroll down to that place, you will see that the image issued has been taken away. So another one, key phrase density. The focus key phrase was found 0 times. The least than that is less than the recommended minimum of 3 times. Key phrase density. That description has been specified but does not contain the key phrase. Okay, meta description. From this focus key phrase, let me just delete this web design from it. Let me just make it this. Can you see it remain only 3? So guys, it's not compulsory you score career or the mark. I think it's okay like this because I don't want this video to be long. So guys, what we need to do now is, since I've actually did this video, all I think there remains key phrase title, not all, but it's not compulsory you do what you get all this mark. So they actually want you to this place. Now what I'm talking about is for heading, that your key phrase your heading should contain your key that the importance of SEO on small business. I think this is the last correction I will do. Let me just check another place where maybe I can also link the importance of using web design elements on small business website. The importance of looking professional. The importance of looking professional. Okay, I can just say the importance of using web design element in small business websites in small business now. If you scroll down now again, the score should remain. Can you see this? It remain only 2 now. So guys, I guess we have tried enough in this. Now can you see now that this article, this artificial intelligence really help us to write a nice looking article. Now the only thing that we just need for me to do is just to put what is it called, to come to this advanced. No, I don't need this advanced. Let me just scroll up. I only want to put feature image. Oh, there is no space for me to push picture image. Okay, let me come to post. Yeah, post. Or you scroll down. Category down. No. Your tag. You can actually put, since our tag is this, let me just put this thing. The reason I'm doing this is just for this to be able to rank on Google. Ctrl C. So I'll put it here. Then put comma, web design, comma, importance of web design, importance of web. I can even come to this place, rather than me wasting my time. Let me just come to this place. Importance of web design. Why is web design important? Why is web design important? I'll copy it and I will type it here again and Ctrl V. So my Google will bring out related key phrase for me, because these are the related key phrase. Can you see? I'll just copy all these keywords. These are another way for you to rank on Google. So I'll copy it. Once I copy it, I'll just come back to this place. I'm doing all this so that you guys can know how it goes. Paste it there. Can you see? But what I'll be doing is that I will just make sure I put comma, because you must be putting comma. So this is what I actually want to do. Now I will just delete this. I don't need this. Delete and scroll. Comma. So let me be copying this one by one. I think that would be a good idea. Ctrl C. So let me pause this video and finish the stuff so that this video will not be long. Comma. Now guys, I've actually entered the key tag. So this, anytime anybody is searching for all these keyword, Google will show my website, my especially this blog post, Google will show it. And you know the reason why? So that, and this will also, the implication now is that it will help me to rank first on Google, on Google. So what I need to do now, I will close this. I'll just come, let me let me look at the permalink. I will change this permalink, but that one is later. So I will just come. Let me go to feature image. I'll actually download the video. I've downloaded the image, yeah. And this, let me upload the image. Let me select it. I actually downloaded it not quite long. When I pause this video, this is a mock-up image. And this is the image. Let me just put all text. I'll just put in this all text, let me just put small business, web design for small business, web design for small businesses. Move on. Now the next thing I need to do now is this. I'll just scroll down. Yeah, everything is done and set. And if you see my SEO, can you see all this stuff? And that means my website is done, good. All I need to do is just scroll up and click on publish and publish. So guys, that is just all about the post is done. Let me just show you the post. Let me wait for it to load. I'm actually waiting for it to load. Now guys, this is it. So, and this is the stuff, and this is it. So guys, that is just majorly how to go about. But in case you are doing your own, you can actually make use of your own image. If you are a graphic designer, just design your image and stuff like that, and that is just majorly everything you need to know. So anytime people are searching for anything related, Google will actually show my stuff, my website to them. And these are one of the great things you need to know. You need to know all these things, and that is why I'm taking my time. These are all I'm doing. I am not doing anything apart from all this. I have showed you all my secrets and how what I'm doing that make Google to rank me as #1, as the best in Ibadan, as the best web designer in Ibadan. Now, and there are thousands of web designers in Ibadan. It's not as if I'm saying this just to proud or stuff like that, but I'm just trying to show you what the Lord has actually teach me on how to do, what to do to rank on Google front page. And if you can follow all this procedure, I'm going to assure you that you will rank on Google front page, definitely. All you need to do is consistent. Nobody will tell you no. There's no any secret, there's no money. I didn't pay money. Majority of people, though some people paid money, they paid huge amount of money to rank, and despite that they even paid money, majority of them are not ranking as on Google front page. So why do you need to waste money when you can do this as manually, organically? You can do it manually, so you don't need to worry yourself. And another thing that I'm going to promise you guys that anyone, for those of you who have actually opted for this course, for this SEO course, I'm going to be giving you latest thing. If there's the latest thing I learn, or there's the latest update I learn about how to be relevant, how to keep maintaining Google front page, whereby you will not be able to, you won't live there, you just stay there, and people who are coming, no matter what they do, they will still be following you. They can't override you. I'll keep on posting you guys. You will be on my VIP group, whereby I'll keep on sharing with you what to do and latest update to do. So, and that is, I think that's one of the benefits of people of signing up for this course, because most of my students who actually sign up for my course can actually notice that whenever they sign up for any of my course and I get new update, I share with them. And if you actually want to sign up for my course, you can actually DM or send a message to me on 09035382271, or send a mail to me to theleadingtraining@gmail.com. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. I'm very happy that you can make it up to the end of this video tutorial. If you have any issue, kindly DM me or call me anytime, any day, and I'm going to make sure I provide a perfect solution to whatever thing or whatever issue you might bring to me. One more time, my name is Adidapo Michael Sunday, and I'm a student of Artificial Intelligence University. I'm in accounting department, and by God's grace, I'm the CEO of the Leading Web Design Limited. So thank you very much. In case you have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Don't forget, Jesus loves you and I have a good plan for you. Please, can you just give your life to Christ and I can enjoy the best. Bye.